Let's talk about installing ICO ArmorShake Designer shingles. While all types, styles, and sizes of shingle are installed in roughly the same way, there's enough variation that you must follow the application instructions specific to the shingle you're using. A new roof of ArmorShake shingles will be stunning because they're designed to look like genuine wood shakes. Here's how to install them once you've applied ICO Roof Starter as shown in the previous episodes of Blueprint for Roofing. In order to achieve the dimensional thickness this shingle delivers, you need to install an extra starter course at the roof eave using ICO Armor Starter. These unique shingles are specifically designed to complete the color blend between the teeth of the overlying shingles to create that depth and texture. Remove approximately 20 inches from an ICO Armor Starter shingle. Start at the lower left corner of the roof deck, granule side up, and make sure the Armor Starter shingle lies flush with the edges of the fastened roof starter strip. Work your way along the eave edge using full-length pieces. Remember, always drive nails straight so that the nail head is flush with but not cutting into the shingle surface. If nail heads are left sticking up, they can tear into the shingle that's applied above them. Once you've installed the ICO Armor Starter shingles, return to the left side of the roof deck and start with a full ArmorShake shingle. Trim its rake end slightly and apply the shingle flush with the starter course at rake and eaves. Use 5 nails per shingle and the nail line approximately 1 inch from each end and spaced equally along the shingle's full length. Always measure along the top edge of the shingle. Note that a slight variation in shingle height alignment is normal, and due to the shingle's random aesthetic design, shingle joints may not always be covered by an overlying tab. For the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth courses, trim off 5 5/8 inch, 11 1/4 inch, 16 7/8 inch, 22 1/2 inch, and 28 1/8 inch, respectively, from the left end of the starting shingle. Apply flush with the roof starter strip at the rake. Align the end of the shingle with the alignment notch in the top edge of the lower course of the shingles. Don't use the shingle's bottom edge or nail lines to gauge exposure. Then continue with full shingles along the length of each course. For the succeeding courses, simply repeat the sequence of the 6 courses we just did as you work your way up the roof. For added wind protection, use 6 nails per shingle and seal down each shingle with 3 1-inch diameter spots of asphalt plastic cement placed under each tab. Then cement the shingles at the rake edges. Well done! You're on your way to installing a beautiful new roof with ArmorShake shingles. For the perfect finishing touch, use coordinating ICO hip and ridge capping shingles and watch our video on how to install them.